Hi everyone, welcome to Solve Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the topic restricted user. So when you can see this option, see here after the SAM database, you can see the restricted user. So whenever you restore a database using a restrict access to the restore database, you can see this option. If you go to the options, here you can see the restrict access to the restored database. So let me restore a database using this restricted user option. So for the test database, I'm selecting restrict access to the restored database. So that I can see a restricted user here. So let's see what is restricted user access. So whoever having the sysadmin access and DB owner access, they can only access this restricted user database. So at the server level, we have a sysadmin access, and at the database level, we have a DB owner access. So these accesses are the highest privilege accesses at the server level as well as the database level. So let's see the demo first. If you go to the security, I have different logins here. For prod user, I'm going to give the sysadmin access, and for test user, I'm going to give the DB owner access on the test database. And for sys login, I'm not going to give any access. I'm not going to give the sysadmin and DB owner access. No sysadmin access and no DB owner access. So for prod user, so I'm granting sysadmin access. For test user, I'm mapping the test database. And I'm giving the DB owner access. For sys login, I'm not going to give sysadmin access, and also I'm just mapping the test database, but I'm not going to give the DB owner access, but I'm giving all other accesses like data reader, writer, DDL admin, access admin, and backup operator like this. So let's log in with the prod user first and let's validate. Prod user. See here I have logged in through the prod user. If I'm trying to access this test database, yes, it's working. Let's disconnect and log in with the test user. So you can able to access the test database now. So other databases we cannot access, only the database which I have the DB owner or sysadmin access I have. Only this database I can able to access because I only have a DB owner access for this database only. If I have a sysadmin access, that is fine. You can able to access all other databases. So finally, let's connect with the sys login access. See, the database is not accessible because I don't have sysadmin access or a DB owner access. This means so whoever having the DB owner access or sysadmin access, they can only access the restricted database. I hope you all understand. Thanks for watching.